STI, that is sexually transmitted infection. It is also commonly called as sexually transmitted disease. They are the infection we get from another person through sexual contact. Causes: bacteria and viruses that grow in warm, moist places in the body called STDs. They are passed from one person to another through sex. Infection can spread from penis, vagina, mouth or anus. These infections can be minor or they can be very painful, even life-threatening. Symptoms: often there are no symptoms at all, but men may experience symptoms like burning or itching in the penis, pain around pelvis, burning and pain with urine or with bowel movements, having to go to the bathroom often. Women may experience symptoms like burning or itching in the vagina, bleeding from the vagina that is not normal, pain deep inside during sex, burning and pain with urine or with bowel movements, having to go to the bathroom often. Diagnosis: a healthcare professional can diagnose STIs. They will ask some personal questions about your sex history. They may take a sample of fluid from the penis or vagina or a blood test to confirm the problem. Laboratory tests can show what, if any, bacterial or viral STIs are present. Now let's talk about some most common types of STIs and how are they treated. Chlamydia. This is the most common STI in the United States. It is transmitted through unprotected vaginal or anal sex. Once diagnosed, a person can be treated with an antibiotic. If untreated, it can cause serious damage to a woman's reproductive system. It can make it difficult or impossible to get pregnant. Syphilis. This is a potentially life-threatening bacterial infection from the vagina, anal or oral sex. It can spread if the source caused by syphilis touches the skin of a healthy person. Penicillin is a successful treatment. If syphilis is not treated, it can remain in the body for years. It can cause serious problems including paralysis, mental disorder, damage to organs, and even death. AIDS. AIDS results from an infection with the human immunodeficiency virus HIV. It is not curable and potentially deadly. It attacks the body's immune system. Antiviral HIV medicines are available to improve the life and health of an infected person. Trichomoniasis. This STI results from a parasite. It is spread through sexual contact from the penis or vagina. It mainly affects young sexually active women. Without treatment, the infection can last for months or even years. Women with it may deliver underweight babies. Trichomoniasis can be easily treated with antibiotics.